let's talk about the search capabilities of the terminology server. So either you can enter a medical code and retrieve its equivalent concepts, or you can enter a particular chunk and retrieve its particular code. This feature is called the code search. So it lets user to enter a specific code like for E11, ICD-10, or type 2 diabetes. The terminology server returns the code's equivalent or related entries in the other code systems. For example, from E11, you can get matching concepts from the vocabularies that you select. You can also search with the clinical phrases using both exact match and the semantic search. So this is the main thing that we usually use in our products. So we are already using this TS in our internal projects. So if you enter any chunk like high blood sugar, so, or imagine a spelling mistake like in diabetes, you have entered, you missed some alphabet between them. So, but the terminology server still knows what you mean. So it uses two types of matching, exact string and semantic embedding search. So the embedding model captures the meaning. So even if the wording is imprecise, the server will find the clinical appropriate codes. The search results are deterministic, meaning you will get the same matches consistently every time for the same input, which is important for in clinical workflows. We also have Boolean logic, so like a clinical domain filters and the context tags to narrow down or like prioritize the search results. So our search engine offers some advanced tools to tailor your results to your exact needs. You can use the operators like and or in your search. For example, lung and cancer, or stroke or TIA. You can filter by the clinical domain. For example, limit the results to just diagnosis, procedures, or medication. And here the context tags helps too. So if you mark a search as coming from a medication record, the terminology server will boost drug codes in its ranking. So these features ensure that the results are not only accurate, but it's relevant to the task in hand. So in short, if you search for a search using the cancer or lung or cancer and lung, it will give you the codes related to both of them, whichever operator that you use.